So I'm still in the tutorial from what I'm seeing. The Yunka could run away. That's what we call retreat in the brighter business. But you can chase after it. Just head for the monster den marked on the map. I'll bet my last donut will find that caravan wheel we're looking for there. Sometimes when you defeat a monster, it will get back up and return to its den. It's called a retreat. It's a great chance to get that monster's egg. If a monster retreats from battle, its den will appear nearby and its location will be displayed on the map, allowing you to hunt those eggs easier. There are many ways to make monsters retreat, but most will be most likely to retreat if they are hit with a paintball. See the Monsterpedia for more tips. I think I got this one. Yeah, I got this treasure room. That. Yoink! Let me just see. That. Spiderweb. Oh! Hello. Can I fish? Am I allowed to fish? No. Apparently not. Nope, I'm not allowed to fish apparently, not in this game. Let me guess, it's sleeping. No, it's not sleeping. How is it not sleeping? Oh, he's angry. Oh, he's angry. Sorry, I'm just eating. So. I should be back now. Oh, excuse me. Just me? Just trying to think if there is any other caves that I can go into. Or dens, sorry, dens. Doesn't look like it though. So since it's 6:30, Ashen, just wondering, when are you going to feed the kids? What time are you gonna cook? Or have you started cooking, putting some food in the oven? Just so I know. It's a Shiro!
Thank you, thank you, thank you! Now I can repair my catavan!
How are you, Shiro?
Thanks for helping me out. If you wish to use the catavan, I'm at your purpose. Just jump on, and I'll take you anywhere you want to go.
Yeah! He seems really stoked to have fixed the catavan, buddy.
I know.
Good,
I'll take
that's
you back
good.
to the village. Come on, get a move on. Getting ready to depart.
I swear, these puns. You can ride the caravan from any orange umbrella. It's a caravan stand. Now it's the perfect time to try it out. Just bounce right in and I'll take you there in 2 shakes of a tail. I'll take you to the caravan stand in Hawkham Village. Hold on to your whiskers. You can recognize caravan stands by their signature orange umbrellas. Yay, thank you so much for the head pads. Save. How you guys doing? I know, I'm just hiding here a little bit. Wait! Many thanks for your patronage. We take pride in the speed of service. I'll tell the other cat of just so feel free to hop in. Oh, Jesus Christ, these puns! Do my head in.
Well, well.
Hey, you're back. How'd it go, kiddo? I see. Sounds like the caravan dry had it pretty rough. Well, it sounds like you did a good job. And you've met the caravaner. Awesome. Now head off and give your report to village chief. Go on, shoot. Shoot! We're good, having a lazy day and numbing some lunch. Ah, that sounds delightful. I'll have to mute now if there's gonna be dialogue, so...
Oh, welcome, child. Long time no see. I hear Dan has taught you a trick or 3.
You want me to do an ara ara, Shiro. I'm gonna kill Red in a minute. Is this the mummy ara ara or is it just a regular ara ara? Because at this point it might be all the same now. Ara ara. There. Ugh. Dying. God damn it.
Ah, how the seasons have flown past. You've become a rider so very fast. Now, young one, lend me your ear. Black mists been seen close to here, and thus we would like to know, is this the so-called Black Blight, or no? From this evil, nothing is spared. For every eventuality, be prepared. Changes in nature may start small, but slowly grow to encompass all. With a plant or stone, keep an eye out for where the blight has raised its snout.
Oh gosh, I killed him. Sorry. I've killed somebody by accident.
Hi.
A blue. Oh. The Wily Bird, of course. I'll give you a new sword and shield skill. Okay. It's okay, I have a phoenix down. Yeah, the matter of fact that we can have so many phoenix downs now in our pockets, that is just amazing, isn't it? No. I'm not downloading anything. And thank you so much for the boob. Much appreciated. Oh, you're the next quest. Yeah, no. I'm gonna fight the blue neon cuckoo. So what are you guys numbing then? Because I just had some noodles. Because I asked Ashen to get me some noodles because I was starving. And on top of that, I was talking about, I don't know if you, Shira and Azzy, have been following the Kickstarter and stuff, but I had to cancel it. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick update for that one as well. I know you guys were probably not here earlier. So, yeah, I had to. Just a very, very quick. Oh, wait a minute. We ordered teriyaki. Shiro has spicy chicken, broccoli, and rice. I have regular chicken and rice. Ooh, that sounds delicious. That sounds really, really good. No, see, I had to cancel because the spammers or scammers, whichever you want to use, which term you want to use, it got out of hand. I can't. I get a lot of messages saying, you know, oh, if you click this link, you know, we can help you, and if you follow us this, we can support you with a campaign, and we can advertise it for you, and blah blah blah. And it's like, well, I'm getting more messages about that than actual genuine people. And then when there are, I think they're genuine people, they're like, oh yeah, but I've got two addresses. I'm like, so instead of the Kickstarter, because like I said, I've cancelled it. I've put all of the quote-unquote rewards now on my coffee, so people can choose which tier package they want to support. So I have to do it that way now, because I don't trust Kickstarter anymore. Like it I don't know. It's a pity. So that's the update, basically. Ah! Ooh! Ooh! You didn't attack me! Oh my gosh! You nearly got me, you... There's a bone I want to grab. There we go. Is it in here? There is a cave here. It's not exactly what I'm looking for. Do we have to go to the other side? We have to go to the other side. Ugh. Go away! I don't want it! There's a cave right there. I don't want to get that. Excuse me? Is that a Poogie? Oh my god, it's a Poogie. Oh! Poogie, no! Poogie, no! It's a Poogie! It's a small Poogie enjoying the water under the waterfall. Aww, that is adorable. Obtain a training charm. I could have used that ages ago. Oh, it's a still. Ah! That one. Get that one. Get that. Get that one. No. I don't want it. I don't want it. Oh, I don't want it! Nearly biting my tail off. No! Ooh! Nope. There you go. Oh, I just literally escaped. I spy with my cat's eye something beginning with M. Stay on your paws. Aye. Numb. This one is a blue one. Oh, blaze ball. Oh, I don't like that. Ooh. Okay, I need to make sure that I keep him healed. No! No! Come on. It's way too close. Way too close. I'm not doing that blaze ball. No! Beat its butt, PD. I'm trying. I'm mostly the one not doing the work. It's Bella who's doing mostly the work. Ah, crap. I'm mostly healing my poor thing. Oh, there we go. Jesus Christ. Quest completed. What do I get for that? An S! Oh, thank God for that. Flumplered Peg Onslaught. God damn it.